In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize table in Notion. Welcome back, and thank you for being here. In this tutorial, I will guide you through how to resize tables in Notion so you can organize your information more clearly and make your workspace easier to read. Tables are one of the most useful features in Notion because they allow you to structure data in a clean and efficient way. However, the default table size does not always match the type of content you are working with, which is why knowing how to resize tables properly is such an important skill. Let's start by adjusting the width of your table columns. This process is very straightforward and only takes a few seconds. Move your mouse over the edge of the column you want to change. When your cursor turns into a double-sided arrow, that is your signal that the column can now be resized. Click and hold your mouse, then slowly drag left or right depending on whether you want the column to be narrower or wider. This allows you to fine-tune each column so the content fits comfortably without looking cramped or leaving too much empty space. Taking the time to adjust column width can greatly improve readability, especially when working with longer text or multiple data points. When it comes to the height of table cells, Notion handles most of the work for you automatically. The height of each cell adjusts based on what you place inside it. If you add more text or other content, the cell expands vertically to make sure everything remains visible. This automatic adjustment helps keep your table clean and prevents information from being hidden or cut off, allowing you to focus on your content instead of manual formatting. If you need to expand your table, adding more rows or columns is quick and easy. You will see a plus icon at the bottom of the table for adding rows, and another plus icon along the right side for adding columns. Clicking once will add a single row or column instantly. If you know you need several rows or columns at the same time, you can click and drag the plus icon to add multiple entries in one motion. This is especially helpful when building larger tables or planning ahead for future data. With these simple techniques, resizing and customizing tables in Notion becomes an intuitive and stress-free process. Whether your table is small or complex, adjusting it to fit your content can make a noticeable difference in how effectively you work and present information. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.